In order to create iPhone ringtones out of any MP3 using iTunes alone, just add a new playlist and drag and drop the MP3 to that list. Now, the file has to be under 30 seconds in order to be a ringtone. So right-click, Get Info, Options. You will find you can trim the start and stop time to a window within 30 seconds of your choice. I'm going to choose 0 to 24.5. Now right-click again, Create AAC version. This will create a new file that will be found at the top of your music directory. So go ahead and click there and scroll to the top. You'll see the original file that we had and the new 25-second ringtone. You'll want to copy this file to a directory that you will want to store your ringtones in. And then just drag and drop that to that window and right-click, rename .m4a to .m4r. That's the trick. Now double click it again and it will open up in iTunes as a ringtone. Now click on your iPhone, go to the Ringtones tab, and make sure that Sync Ringtones box is selected. Now, when you sync your iPhone, your ringtones will automatically show up on your iPhone.